This has to be one of the coolest new accessories for your BMW. Gates Innovations. I will leave a link down to this below. He was kind enough to hook me up with this new freaking sick accessory. All right, we got like a little OBD2 port thing. It has a USB-C cord, very nice. So I do have the old donor key. Unfortunately, this key does not work anymore. This is basically the donor, and I guess he like puts the guts or whatever into the new key, which is still really cool because honestly, for a $70,000 car, this key is weak. You know, there's nothing about this thing. I've never really liked this key. It's not very cool, and you can see, yeah, the guts are gone. Ooh, look at this. Dude, this is a nice presentation. Oh yeah, little bag. Then there we go, guys. Look at that. Gates Innovations. Dude, like that Louis Vuitton unboxing. Telling you what, look at this. This is the key. Now, why is this cool? Well, this is cool because it looks like we power it on right here. Oh, we actually charge it, that's right. You gotta charge up the key. Okay, I'm gonna go charge up the key and I'll get back to you guys. I've been meaning to film this video for about 2 weeks now, so I don't know, it does look like possibly the battery is dead right at the moment. But dudes, let's check this out. Ooh, this is sick. Okay, look at that. That's cool. Yeah, you can see the key right up there at the top. Unlock, lock, gates. Scrolling over, oh. Yeah, keyless entry system. Very cool. Automatic window settings. Contacts, what? Is this thing like a cell phone? While that thing's charging for the next couple minutes here, I wanted to show you guys, I got some new merch. If you go on the website, I got a brand new website, Apple Pay, Shopify website, all that stuff. These are all the new things. We got the new sticker, the t-shirts, a couple stickers on here. I did quite a few stickers. We got an E30, Birdie 30 style. We got an E36 over here, which is super cool. See what's in it. I'm printing these on some new style shirts. Very nice quality shirts. And this is how you guys will get them when you make your order. I've been printing with these guys for quite a while, probably like 4 years now. And I'll tell you what, their print quality is insane. That is the back of one of the shirts. How cool is that? You get the Birdie 30. Look at all the colors. You got a S52 in there. You got the little intake. Super sick. Ratfink style CAE shifter. We got Bert, rest in peace, up here just hanging on. We got those Arc 8s. Very, very cool. And this is a super soft tee. Let's see. And then I got my little logo right here. Blake's Garage little helmet, established 2014. So I ordered this one in a small for my wife, so we'll see. It looks a little big. I wasn't quite sure if that was gonna work. So here's a large. That looks nice. I'll go ahead and throw this thing on. So I got 2 of these printed out. The prints are absolutely sick. Direct to garment. This is not gonna crack. I've had shirts lasting like 3 or 4 years or longer. Let me show you what a shirt looks like after hundreds of washes. I literally had this shirt for probably 4 years and you can see it still looks really good. Super cool. All right, but not only that, I actually got something else made, which is super cool. Okay, so here are the new stickers. These things look sick. Actually, there's the E36, like a little skull guy in there, pretty sweet. This is the Birdie 30, and it's all like cut out to that style, which is super cool. Oh, and then I got the Pit Viper Burt. Always a classic right there. Slap on something awesome. So also guys, I'm thinking about doing some sort of F82 design, some M4 design. Let me know what you think, if I should do some sort of like wrapping style thing like this, or just the car kind of in like a scene scenario like this one. I basically have like an on-track E36. This is actually like a picture that I based off Rodell's old car, White Wing STI, or M3 Tracker, as you guys remember them. So yeah, pretty cool. The charging port is right in the side here. However, you can see that we do have some keys on the side here. We got the unlock, lock, power. That's to wake it up. So we're gonna hit the power button real quick. See that? Oh yeah, the key is all awake. Let's go out to the car. So real quick, I'm just gonna throw on these stickers because yeah, I got the old school Birdie 30 sticker over there. We'll kind of balance this out on the pack out lunch pail. I love using this lunch pail like when I'm going to the track. That's the Pit Viper Burt right there. And what's cool is these stickers are actually like cut out, so it's got a cool look to it. You know what I haven't showed off actually recently? Let me grab it. The pack out mug. I haven't even used this yet, but check this out, guys. So we got this pack out, boom. How's this work? Twist it on here. Yeah, that ain't coming off. So that definitely deserves one of these stickers. Let's see. Let's put it on the back side here. So you know, if you want to like trick out your water bottle or whatever. Hell yeah. That's absolutely sick. I got some crap on here, but yeah, you guys can see that's the new pack out mug. If you guys haven't seen it, it's badass. Boom. Okay, here is the F82 M4. He has keys for E30s. He has keys for, I think, E46s, E92s, F80s, G80s, the Supra, all that stuff. Oh, check out the shirt, guys. Here it is. Here it is on. So yeah, that's my F82 time attack car. Pretty damn badass. I absolutely love this thing. It rips. Have a lot of other info on this on the channel. But yeah, you can use this on a bunch of different BMWs. Look at that key. We got the Gates Innovations. We got the unlock. Oops. We're gonna hit that. Go to the screen. We're gonna hit the unlock button. See it unlock the car. Should we do that real quick? That is the unlock. That is the lock. Now, if you press and hold the lock button, rolls up the windows. You guys see that? Right? Just like normal. If we press and hold the unlock, we can roll down the windows. Quick press of the lock, locks and folds. And then we can actually change those options as well. Lock and hold. You know, you can go up a little bit. I don't know if you guys are aware of this, but you can go up a little bit and pause for the summertime, and then boom, windows are shut down. Now, the other cool options, here we go. This is where it gets creative. Whoops. I didn't even mean to hit that. You got the little Gates logo in the middle, which is super cool. You can open up the trunk, which my trunk doesn't really go too far because I got that big old wang on that thing. It times out fairly quickly, which is good. You know, we don't want this thing on all the time. Got keyless entry settings, so we can kind of change proximity, unlock or unlock, override, lock only. We can kind of change all of these things. You can kind of scroll through here in the bottom, which is neat. Automatic window settings, we can tap to set. Proximity on. I'm gonna try this out. Another really cool feature on this is contact found. So I'm in my 916 area code. I actually went in here and I added my phone number. I'm blocking out with my thumb so you guys don't hit me. Settings, we can go in here and adjust the settings as well. It's the hardware, firmware 1.0. So he does have updates. That's why it came with the USB cable and whatnot. OBD settings, and then proximity strength. So if we want more strength or less strength. Now on the side of the fob, we have the power button, unlock button. We have the lock button, which is this quick access. Lock, unlock. We have the trunk, like I was showing you guys. And we have the power button there. We got that nice M racing stripe look. And this thing isn't incredibly bigger. I don't know, guys, in comparison, that stock key just lacks. It doesn't have this. I mean, size-wise, yes, this aftermarket key is slightly bigger, but honestly, it's not that much bigger. I put it in my pocket. It's not that big of a deal. I absolutely love the way it works. It's just such a baller, sick-ass key right here. It's got a screen on it. Come on. And you charge it up. Now, what's cool, because it has the guts in it from the original key, if this thing goes dead, like the screen on the front, the key still totally works because it has standard proximity thing in there. I haven't even tried starting the car yet with this. Panic still works. Turn that off. You know, that's all in the fob. A little harder to get to on the panic. Honestly, I'm not worried about that because I would probably never hit that panic button. To tell you the truth, I would forget all about it. I'd be grabbing for other items in a scenario where I need that. This Apex wheels from those VS5 RSs, this works absolutely awesome to cover up the steering wheel that I got in the car. I've been trying to keep the steering wheel nice and crispy and clean, so key, you know, like I would normally do in my pocket. Boom. Car starts up. Ooh, and look at that steering wheel. If you guys haven't seen the M Performance steering wheel, it is absolutely sick. So we got a new M Performance Alcantara with carbon fiber steering wheel with the shift lights and all that. Obviously we gotta let the car warm up. There's shift lights in here, and I just feel like this key, it just goes along with it. This thing is so cool. I love it. I'll leave a link down to this below, guys. This thing worked absolutely awesome. I'm gonna go ahead and charge it up so it's fully charged. But look at that, dude. This is just sick. I love it. Cause that other key, it kind of honestly made me sad. Like, it's just not a cool looking key. You hand that to somebody, and not that I'm handing it to anybody because I'm driving my own dang car, but I don't know. It just doesn't look cool. It doesn't look like something that was built in 2018. It honestly looks like something that was built in the 2010s or something along those lines. I love this. So if you guys have a BMW and you're looking for a super rad key, check out Gates Innovations. I'll leave the link below. Like I said, there's no affiliate there or anything like that. Honestly, I just hit him up because I was like, dude, that is sick. And I wanted to be one of the beta adopters of the key for the version 1.0. There will be updates in the future, maybe more things that come out with this thing, but honestly, the looks what did it for me right here. But yeah, man, time attack soon. I absolutely love my BMW. It's so sick. So yeah, if you guys have not subscribed, make sure to subscribe. Try to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button down there. If you're looking for some sick E30 merch, maybe some F80 merch, I'll have to be coming out with something on that soon. But check it out, guys. Link down below. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you soon. Later, and wrench on. Sheesh. The proximity works just fine with the key as well. I have this thing programmed to where, like, if I tap it, it'll unfold. If I tap quick, it does not fold the mirror. If I tap and hold, folds the mirrors in. Pretty cool. Nice little thing. Dude, I've been using this like bead maker. Man, that stuff is so good. I love it. This thing looks so good, guys. Oh man, I need to drive this car. It's been a minute.